What will happen if you do planks every day? Well, planks are one of the most effective exercise you can do at home. They don't take much time or effort to do, and you don't have to wait long for the tangible results. Planks for starters are one type of weight loss exercise that never gets old no matter what. Moreover, this exercise is best for those who lead a busy life and find it very difficult to go to gym due to time constraints. Doing plank every day, even just for a minute, helps strengthen your entire core. In fact, most fitness experts said themselves that planking is one of the top effective exercises to tone your six pack. They are even more effective than crunches. Watch the video to find out all the benefits of regular planks. Number 1. It defines your amp. Planks involve all the major group of core muscles including transverse, oblique abdominal muscle and the buttock. You get better and stronger at your planks. You'll also get stronger when it comes to performing other exercises. If you're a frequent gym goer, you'll notice a huge strength increase in several compound lifts like squats and deadlift. Number 2. Planks also lower the risk of getting injured. It is a type of exercise that lets you build muscle mass, and at the same time, you can be assured that you don't put too much pressure on the back and the hips. Planking not only decreases back pain but also strengthens muscles and ensures strong support of the back. Number 3. You'll have accelerated metabolism. Planking is an excellent choice of stimulating the whole body if you would perform it every day. You burn more calories than at a regular exercise for abdominal muscles such as push-up muscles. This exercise daily ensures the burning of higher energy amount even when sitting. This is important mostly when you have a sitting job and spend most of the day sitting by the computer. If you decide to do 1 minute plank daily before or after the work, not only it will accelerate the metabolism but also will ensure that this speed remains high throughout the day. Number 4. It enhances your balance. Have you ever tried standing on one leg but then you were unable to stand up straight or more than a few seconds? Then it's because your abdominal muscles weren't strong enough to maintain the balance. Planking for 1 minute every day improves your overall balance. Ultimately, it will enhance your performance in whatever sporting activity. So, will you start doing plank from tomorrow? If so, don't forget to come here and comment down below.